Hello students. So let's continue with the chapter called chemical control and coordination. So what are the different endocrine glands of the body? So I have mentioned all the endocrine glands of the body along with their positions, different endocrine organs and different endocrine structures of the body. So what are endocrine glands and their appropriate position in our body? So the number one is, which is also called master endocrine gland in our body, is known as pituitary gland. The pituitary gland is the master endocrine gland of the body, which is also called as hypophysis. Today this is only the introduction of endocrine glands because the chapter consists of details of all these endocrine gland structures and the endocrine organs. So this pituitary gland is also called hypophysis, which is located in the brain. Okay, we'll see the exact position and all these things. Second is known as pineal gland. This pineal gland is one of the very important gland, which is also called biological clock of the body. It is also located in the brain, in the roof of the diencephalon, when there is epithalamus is there. So this is a pineal gland, the second gland. Next comes the region of neck, is called thyroid gland. Everybody is very close to the thyroid gland, and this thyroid gland is located in the region called as neck. It is one of the largest endocrine gland of the body. There are some important points about these all the glands. This is one of the largest endocrine gland of the body, that is called thyroid gland, which is located in the region called as neck. Just behind the thyroid gland, there are 4 lobed glands present, and that is known as parathyroid glands. Actually, these are called as parathyroid glands. They are very small glands, the size of the rice grain and the maize grain. Very small glands. They are called parathyroid glands. Very important, related to the calcium metabolism balance, calcium balance in the blood. So this is parathyroid glands, which are located in the neck. Come to the next, is called thymus gland. Thymus is, again, there is some interesting point about thymus. Thymus is that gland which take part in 2 different systems, like endocrine system also and immunological system also. You might have studied in the topic called circulation when you talk about the lymphocytes, like T lymphocytes. So what T stands for? It stands for thymus, because the lymphocytes which are mature in the thymus, they are called T lymphocytes. So very related to immunity system and some hormonal secretions. That's the thymus, which is present in the region of the chest, in the lower part of the sternum, that is called thymus. Next from thymus, there is a pancreas, very interesting exocrine as well as endocrine gland, which is very important gland of both the functions of exocrine and endocrine functions. We will study in details in the later lectures. Next is called adrenals. There are 2 adrenals placed in the, you can see kidneys at the upper lobe of the kidneys. So these are the kidneys, and at the upper pole of the kidney, the glands are present, and these glands are called adrenal glands. The 2 adrenal glands, the position is abdominal, lower abdominal. And next is now the gonads, testes and ovaries. They are pelvic in position, testes are extra abdominal position, while ovaries are pelvic in position. So these are the important endocrine glands of the body. I am repeating again: the pituitary gland located in the brain, pineal gland also located in the brain. So these are called cerebral endocrine glands. Thyroid in the neck, parathyroid also in the neck. I see this is called cervical endocrine glands. This is thymus located in the chest. We can say this is thoracic. Then pancreas. The pancreas is located in the abdomen, okay, in the loop of the duodenum, just below the stomach. Then these are adrenals, which are located on the upper pole of each kidneys. And these are gonads, testes and ovaries. They are also heterocrine glands. These pancreas and gonads are mixed or heterocrine glands, testes and ovaries. So these are the endocrine glands of the body, but beyond that, there are some endocrine organs also present in our body. They don't have endocrine gland-like structures. These are diffuse organs that are present in our body, like kidneys that are going to produce the hormone called as, we'll see in details. There are 2 hormones produced by kidneys. It's called erythropoietin, and the hormone is known as calcitriol. So these are the 2, you can see, hormones produced by the kidney. There is heart also acts as an endocrine organ, the hormone called as ANF, atrial natriuretic factor. Okay, we'll study the details about this ANF in the next sessions. Next is called stomach. There are number of hormones produced by stomach around, you can see gastrin, the cholecyst, different hormones are there in the stomach, and then again at the end intestine also produces many hormones. So these are endocrine organs of the body. There are some temporary endocrine structures in our body. You can see that they functions for temporary period. So they are temporary endocrine structures for corpus luteum in the ovary as well as placenta during pregnancy. So these are the different endocrine structures, endocrine glands and endocrine organs of the body. Now in the next session we will continue with the topic called hormones. We will discuss the properties of hormones, the classification of hormones and the mechanism of action of the hormones. We will continue in the next lecture. Thank you very much.